Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Going to make this video about gold. So let's get started. I'm going to show the weekly charts and monthly chart separately. So, and then they're both starting from October 15th, 2022. So this is the chart that I made on that day, gold monthly chart. It is Elliot Wave calculation, Elliot Wave counts. We have big wave three ending here, then we have four, and then wave five was all in underway still, right? So I said, okay, out of wave five, this is happening. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If wave 4 is finished here, that's why I have a question mark here. If the wave 4 is finished, then we should be going for wave 5 to the upside. So what happened? This is the chart that I was following. This wave 1, 2, 3, side wave, flat correction, wave 4, which in this case looks like A, B, and then C is a little bit below than 4. So that's okay. But it's still it's a kind of like a flat correction. And then it goes for wave 5. So it start to go to the upside from here. So I said, okay, wave 5 should be here somewhere out there. And this is the chart I made on the 24th December. And then this is what happened on 14 January. We are still going powerfully to the upside. And then I made this chart that, okay, the fib is a little off. It should be on the top of it. So I said, okay, if this going over there, but it's not going to go in a straight line, so what will happen is possibly that it will probably going to drop from there to into this area, 61% or 70% or 78% retracement, right? And then we have big number here, 1795 as well. So I was expecting a drop. So what happened? Look, so it is start to drop right from there. It went up a little bit. 1795 was hit and even went up a little bit more to these numbers, 1959, 1916, and then it started to drop. So I said, okay, maybe this time it's not going to come all the way here. Maybe this thing is going to hold because the pressure to the upside is very, very high. So it's going to hold above 1795 and then maybe make the turn to the upside. And look what happened here. It came and hit that number, 1795, that yellow band. And then I made this chart on 14th March that is going to go up from here. And as of today, it is there. Exactly the same. So this is the monthly chart I'm following alongside with the other charts, which is, let's say, we're going to start watching this weekly chart. Same time, October 15th. I was making the monthly chart as well as the weekly chart to see the smaller time frame or smaller movements, right? So this is ABC correction for wave 4, and then this chart start to go up in this fashion. I said wave 5 is going to be here and there. Now this is very important chart. Up here, I said we're going to drop here first, just like monthly chart. I said it's going to drop first to 1802 and then bounce and go to the upside. So what happened to this chart? It started dropping, and got there. Then it started to bounce, right? So I made another chart saying, okay, it's going to bounce from here exactly 1802 and going to the upside. And then this happens. I said from here above, staying above 1877 will take us again to the upside and it start to go up. This is the, the previous version of my chart. So continue going to the upside. And then yesterday, and we ended up weak on it, 17, like this, no wick whatsoever, and it's powerfully going to the upside. Okay, now what's gonna happen? That's the question. Everything is fine, it's following my chart or whatever, blah blah blah. But what is going to happen now? It is very close to this high. See that 1998? Now I'm going to show you a smaller time frame, which my Renko charts, that will explain what the heck is happening or will happen next couple of weeks. I'm going to show you that later. But all this going to the upside from here for wave 5, bouncing from 1802. What I was doing is taking the trades. So this is on the March 1st. This is long, gold long, March 3rd. Everything is long, long, long. This is March 10th from 1823 to 1856. And then I have this trade on 13th from 1877 to 1911. And then I have this on 17th, Friday, from 1928 to 1972. Then I closed the trade. It went up even more higher, right? These are the trades that I took while I was watching my weekly charts. Now I'm also watching the 80-minute chart, and this is the chart I last made. That this is at that time, 14th March, the price was here. And I said that, okay, we're going to have two scenarios. The first one is that we are going to the upside, and then we will continue to go to the upside, just like this one. This diagram showing this point here, point B, right? So now point B, actually, this one, if it is A, B, C correction, actually is point C. So what will happen is that either if we are going to the upside, if we start bouncing, then definitely we will take out this high and then continue go to the upside for 100% or 107 or 161%, right? One by one. If not, if we drop and if I find a short setup, then I'm going to take short, taking us to the downside here to 78 or 88%, giving that this thing is like around 38. 38 usually goes back to 88, right? But what happened? It just started to go up, and I took the long. I just showed you 17. This one here, you see that? This is higher above that line, 1920. That big level, 1920 is right there. So it started to go up, and I got in and all the way to the upside. And here, now the current situation, what is happening is this. Now the harmonic patterns are out of the way. It's not happening, right? So what the hell with it? Now pay attention to this chart, the Elliot wave count. What's happening here is bouncing from this area. Basically, is this wave 1, 2, and now wave 3 is underway. So wave 1, 2 is finished. Now wave 3 will also have 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how it goes usually, right? So out of that, wave 1 is this wave 1 right now, and the level 1998 is right around the corner. So I think that we're going to hit that level, and then we're going to drop. So from that level, from this low to this high, 1898, if you pull the fib, 61% is coming exactly to this level, 1877 for wave 2. So if we get a stop here, right, first we're going to go and hit that. If we get a stop here at 1998, pay very, very close attention to the short side. It might drop, it might not. I'm not saying it's definite, but if it start to bounce and then continue to go to the upside, then you know where the heck it's going, right? This is the level right there. But if it stop here, then we may be dropping first here to 1877 and then go to the upside to this level and even higher. Usually this wave 3 of 3, right? This is wave 3. After 2, wave 3. Wave 3, and this wave 3 would be of that wave 3. So wave 3 of 3 is the most powerful and most momentous wave. So we're going to have a very, very huge and powerful wave if we get here and then start to go up. Even if not, then, you know, this is where we have a little bit of danger of retracing because the move is big, right? So, but if it retraces after that, start to go up, hallelujah, you're going to have a fun time, believe me. Okay, that would be the best time of your life if you're trading gold. So be ready. This is what's happening. This is the scenario. The first scenario I have is this. Second is that it might just continue to go to the upside. And you know that what's happening in the market, you know, two big banks, and the third one is in line, right? Republic Bank, you know, two are gone already, the Signature and SVB. So banking problem has a lot of problems. Banking problem is like banking sector has a lot of problem, and people are scared and they are taking the money out of their banks. And the next good thing is gold to save, you know, their money. So everybody is now buying gold. So that's what it is. And I think we're probably going to go to, you know, 21, easy 21, 22 to up to 25. All right. $2,500. So yeah, so this is what it is. Just wanted to share with you guys, and take you know, get ready, and whatever the system you are using, just use that. And I use mine, you know, make the entries like this beautiful entry system here. Right, if you want to get this one, go here, tradingsystems.com, subscribe, I'll show you how to use it. I'll train you, whatever. If you need to get trained, just sign up for one-on-one, and I'll teach you everything about not only the system, but doing all this mumbo jumbo, harmonic patterns, Elliot Wave calculation, SNR level, everything. So go on my website. You have everything there. Sign up for either subscription or one-on-one, whatever, and start learning. All right. So this is it for now. Today is Saturday. If you sign up, you get the system, set up the charts. You have time. Saturday, today and Sunday, and then get ready for Monday. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful time and the rest of the week or weekend.